Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.